Hey, Semper friends, this is Mrs. Block. Wanted to let you know that although we are not in school, our library is still very much open and available for checking out books. So here's how you can do that. You are going to go to the Semper homepage, which is semperpride.com. And when you land on our webpage, there's all sorts of cool stuff there. But under the quick links to the left here is Destiny Discover. If you click on that link, it will take you to our library landing page. This should look familiar to most of you. This is where we search for all kinds of books at our school. In order to read books online or digitally, you are going to click on this app here. It is called Access 360. You go ahead and click on that, and it opens up books that are available to read digitally or online. You can check them out right here from this site. So I have to go ahead and I'm going to log in. So I click the login. You're going to want to log in under the blue Jeffco login with the key. You will be brought to a sign-in page and you're going to put in your lunch number and your password. It bypassed me because I'm already in the system. Once you are logged in, it will say welcome and your name. So if I decide that I would really like to read the book Creepy Pair of Underwear, I type the name of the title and I search for it. And lo and behold, they do have it, but it's add to wish list. I can't currently check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my wish list so that when it does become available, I can go ahead and check it out. For the time being, I'm going to go search for something else. I'm going to go check for Bad Guys. Been wanting to read that. So I click on Bad Guys, and look, I can check out Bad Guys. So I'm going to go ahead and check out this one right here. You just click on Checkout. And it says your due date is April 2nd. That gives me 2 weeks to check it out just like normal. And then you click Read Now. And the book will load right there on your device. It doesn't matter the device. It should just go ahead and log on. Store files on this device. I'm going to go ahead and allow. So it may take a minute or two to load, but here is the book. And to move to the next page, you just go ahead and click the arrow found on the side of your device. So as I click that, it goes through the various pages. And this is Bad Guys in Mission Unpluckable. So it's just like you're reading the book as if you checked it out of the library. So there it is. If you need to go back a page, you should just be able to click back the other direction. That's all there is to it. Check out as many books as you like while you're on this extended remote learning journey. These books are available. Not all books in our library are available. I tried searching for like Harry Potter. It was not available. But there is a huge variety of different books. And even if you just kind of say all and you can search for different books, it will just bring up a wide variety of different books. Lots of cool picture books, short chapter books, nonfiction. Hey, I want to learn about Italy. You can check out a book about Italy. So there you have it. Enjoy reading.